Hello guys again. Today, yes, we are going to review this mouse from Silvercrest. This is a wireless mouse, wireless with USB nano receiver, and here is the receiver. Well, first of all, I'm going to put some buttons inside, and we will see a red indicator here. Here you can put your receiver, of course. Don't have to lose it. It's important. On-off switch. The LED is on. Let's put the receiver into the laptop USB. Let's see here. Okay, we do have a new device. And it works. Oh. Oh, it's very ergonomical. I think it's great. Device is ready, input device is set up and ready to go. Nice. Let's see here. We do have 5 keys. We do have the CBI. This is for seeing how much dBi we want. It's about 800, 1600 and 2400. The buttons are programmable, all the buttons. Let's go to the settings, devices, mouse, and here we get the input device. And here is the input device. Select your primary button, left or right. Choose how many lines scroll. Scroll in active windows when I hover off them. Now I want to put the software inside. Opening this and run it. English, yes. Next. Install. Finish. And this is the software. It's very, I think it's very good. We have here the buttons, it's middle button, we have the right button, the left click, forward, back, SPI switch, left click here. Okay, at least one button must assign to the left key. Here is how to programmable all this. You have a profile, what profile you want to load. You have the sensitive, the CPI is set. We have the vertical scrolling speed, the acceleration, the double click speed, fast, I prefer so, and apply. You can use it on many languages. You have a support. This is a hardware software information. Okay, let's go to the USA daily news. And if you hit the right and click button, it goes. It's very suitable for only 14.99 euros. Two buttons, left and right, scrolling. That was all. Thank you for watching again this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike the video, your choice. Please hit the notification bell because you'll definitely hear more from me. More videos are coming in the future for more product. Have a nice day. Bye bye.